So this is story just crazy to me. A woman in Philadelphia gets raped on a train. Nobody did nothing. Everybody just sat there and watched. That's crazy. Uh, yeah, I wonder how many people that there was that just sat there and watched. Now, if it was like two, I don't know, man. If it was like more than like 10 people that just sat there and watched, that's crazy. That is crazy. They need to charge them too. Man, the story's just crazy. Well, I wonder if dude had a gun and threatening people. I said, if y'all call 911, I would shoot y'all or something. I don't know. But still, like, that's just crazy. They just sat there and watched. They didn't help this woman. They didn't call 911, nothing. Damn. See. Yeah, this is the guy right here. His bail is set at 180,000. He shouldn't even have a bail. And they should be charging them people that just sat there and watched. That's some crazy stuff. The United States is just sick. Man. He a weird looking dude. Man. People just sat there and watched though. They ain't help this woman. They ain't call 911. They ain't do nothing. And they should charge them too. That is crazy. It's just a sick world. United States is just sick, man. I wish I wasn't even born here. Anyway, man, thanks for stopping through. I might come back in a little bit. I'm out later.